Greetings everybody and welcome. Today this is your host Omar back with yet another video, and today we will be discussing SendinBlue tutorial and how you can use it for beginners. Okay, so here if you search for SendinBlue and if you are looking for that, it is actually changed to Bravo. So now we're going to be having a new platform, or we can say like formerly it was SendinBlue, but now it just converted its name and branding to Bravo. So let's just dive right onto the platform which was called SendinBlue. Now we're going to be learning about the platform details, what it has to offer, and how it works. So basically, if you are into digital products, email marketing, campaigns, and different kind of online presence, then this is going to be an all-in-one for your business. It's going to be skyrocketing your business, can provide you different kind of details and different kind of services and features that are going to be helping you to list your products online, build your checkout pages, and perform different online, you can say, like marketing activities. Like for example, it is going to be email marketing, marketing automations, workflows, sales platforms, conversions platform, and different type of stuff. So you can also incorporate different kind of messaging APIs to even automate the messaging and conversation system. Now let's just talk about the platform features. First of all, you can see we have 5 ways to work smarter, not harder. Now, if you are maybe into conversation platforms, you want to build a chat system, you can click on this, find out more, and how this platform, Bravo or called SendinBlue, is going to be assisting you, and it is going to be facilitating you. Now you can see, first of all, we can create our live chat. We can do our chat bots. So that is going to be helping to automatically reply to different kind of customers. And of course, this is going to be really easy if you want to provide some baseline, uh, you can say like features and details to your customers. And here you can see we have provided instant answers. So like I was already discussing about, we have automate FAQs, then we gotta grow your contact list. So the platform is going to be facilitating you with all the features that are going to be required to create your chatbot without having any professional level of coding or backend development knowledge. You can even manage your business with the ease of your home and your own private place. Let's just scroll all the way to the top. Actually, let's just go back, and I'm going to be showing you a few more features about the site so you have better idea of what it is going to be offering. You can see, let's just say you want to go with email marketing, you can head over to that. Now we're going to be checking out that how we can do our email marketing. So by the way, if you are simply worried about the platform authenticity, or maybe you want to know about what people think about it, you can head over to G2, Capterra, and Trustpilot, one of the most trusted rating platforms out there, which are going to be providing you the best ratings related to Bravo. So let's just scroll a little bit down, and here you can see we have our email marketing, and using that we can automate our campaigns. If you have some sales going on, if you are launching a new product or maybe a new store, you can simply get in contact with your audience, and you can say like your people, and let them know about your new product. Alright, so now I'm pretty much sure that you have a brief overview about the platform and you know about it. So what we're going to do is, let's just go back. So here you can see we have our pricing showing up in here and our resources. So I'm going to be talking about pricing now, since a lot of people who are beginners especially want to start, they're going to be concerned about its pricing. So the best news and the good news is going to be that they do offer free plan, which is going to be coming with 300 emails per day, which is, as a beginner, more than enough. Then you have customizable email templates, giving you a head start to simply skyrocket and boost your email campaign. Then you have your drag and drop editor for building different storefronts, checkout pages, and online stores. Then we have our transactional APIs, SMTP, and webhooks for better integration of your communication systems. Like for example, if you want to simply if you need SMS APIs or different type of stuff. Then you also have SMS and WhatsApp campaigns enabled. So I think this is a really great value for absolutely no price. If you are a little bit more serious, you can jump straight to business, which is going to be providing you up to 5,000 emails per month Then you have you can say like marketing automations. Then you have predictive sending, multi-user add-on, and A/B testing as well. So they do come with around four prices. If you want to compare them, you can do that. And they also have this calculator for better tailoring your own custom price for your audience and your requirements. So maybe these plans do not contain what you're going to be needing for yourself, so you can tailor it for yourself. So yeah, now we're going to be checking out its sign up section and dashboard. I'm going to be clicking on this option, then I'm going to be entering in here my email, and let me just do that. I got my email here, so I'm going to be pasting it here just like that. My password, create an account. So just wait for a couple of seconds. Now we have our email received onto our provided mail. Just wait for a couple of seconds and till I receive it. Okay, so now you can also sign up with your Google and the platform as well if you want to do. That is going to be really fast. I already received the confirmation mail. I'm going to be clicking on to get started, and yeah, so this is jump right on. And yeah, okay, so we are onto the platform here, as you can see. In case you were basically, this is providing us, so you can see we have our sorry, or it's now we're going to be providing our company name, Vision Studio, and after that our website. You can select I do not have a website. If you don't have one, enter your address. I'm going to be entering a dummy address in here for now, of course. Now I'm going to be entering in here a country. Let's just say this one. Click on continue. So the postal code should be in a correct format. So alright, so we are on to our dashboard, and here you can see we have our contacts, campaigns, templates, and everything to get started here. And from onwards, everything is going to be pretty easy. You can directly click on this create email template option, click on email template, and easily start with your templates to get started with your email marketing campaigns and stuff like that. Simply place your company details in here. It is nothing rocket science. If you want to create an automation, I'm going to be telling you in detail about everything if you need. And let me know in the comments below if you want to learn in depth about automations and how these actually work. So it will be really fun. You can click on create your first automation. So basically an automation is going to be a triggering system that is going to be triggered once a specific action is occurred. It could be sending an automatic email, sending an automatic message, stuff like that. You also have your transactional tab in here, conversation, and different kind of various other features that you can use to simply skyrocket your business. So make sure to do check out Bravo, formerly known as SendinBlue. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Take care and goodbye.